President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. announced that the government has tripled its financial and institutional support for Philippine sports during this year's State of the Nation address. The chief executive recognized the achievements of Filipina tennis star Alex Ayala, who recently reached a career-high WTA world ranking, as well as the Filipinas women's national football team for qualifying for the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup. The president said the government's investment in sports aims to develop a healthier and more active youth, while expressing hope that the success of Filipino athletes will inspire more young people to pursue sports.
Mahalaga rin ang ating sports. Itinaas natin ng triple ang suporta natin dito. Hindi lamang dahil sa aliw na hatid nito, kundi para sa kalusugan. Sa nag-uumapaw nating suporta kay Alex Ayala, sana ay marami ang maengganyo para matuto at maglaro hindi lamang ng tennis, kundi ng ibang sport pa.